Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are in Mudeford in Christchurch, so we're just in the seaside. So I'm going to show you how it is. It's quite a very nice day out for us here, and look at the millers there as well. They are being, I'm just going to zoom it. So look at it. So we are. So we're just going around. Then no, it's okay. We are right. Let's go and look for something to eat first. So just
cuttlefish there, look. Yeah, I see that.
Really?
That's cuttlefish. Cuttlefish.
Oh,
that's what they put in bird cages, and they sharpen their beaks on it.
Oh, so we've got a lot of things here. So that is the environment. Such a very nice place to visit when we came for our holiday. Look, you're missing.
I'm going to go on the fence here, I can't wait. You carry on.
We're coming.
You carry on.
So what is that one? So we got something here. Yeah, we're going. So this is big. Yeah, it's nice. I'm going to show you this. So much. So we got lots of fun here. So let's go and join with her, then we can come back. Okay. This is Mudeford quay fishing yard and also seaside. So we got so much here, and we got, look at it, everywhere is full of fishing nets. Somewhere. So I'm just waiting, just going around so you could see your other side. So you can see it's such very massive area here, and we had so much fun today. This is quite very interesting. When we come here, this is our first time to come here, and we love it. So we're going to go.
We're going to go over there in a minute.
Really? Okay, that's where we park our car.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you seen him? You want to call him? I can't find him. Oh, he's here. Yeah, please, can you hold that?
Again.
Yeah, just hold it. I'm still on filming, please. So we're just going to go home now. This is on our way out. So side. Very lovely area. And look at how many people have visited this place. So much fun here, so much to have a look around. So we're going to go in the car, taxi now, or not taxi, car now, and we're going to zoom up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and have a lovely. Okay, we're going. Bye everybody, and bye. Hello and welcome back to our channel, and this is
yeah, give me a ring when you're fine. Oh, sure. A video call. Alright. Bye.
So there's a lot of big swans as well there. So
is this still on?
Yeah, it's not there. So we're going to do yeah, very big ones. Yeah. So this is I keep forgetting this is Christchurch, and this is
Mudeford Quay.
Mudeford Quay. Mudeford Quay. So we are. Yeah, we just coming here for our holiday, and you could see.
Ferry is open.
From there. So we got. So. Oh, please, can you hold that for me? I can't have two hands, so do something, please.
That's what I'm worried about carrying this. I guess there's drops. Smashes.
So this is the bear, and where we got everything here. And we just coming here for our second holiday. And I'm just going to show you the rest of the seaside. So this is a lot of swans and everything is here. So you can see the other side of the sea from here. I'm going to zoom it for people to see it. So I will take you around as we go. It is very lovely view from here. So this is a typical, there's a lot of things they're doing here, fishing, and also so I'm just going to go around again to show you.
But yes, one of the walks
So
is over
look at that
way.
Look at that boat. So it will just take passengers around from here. It will take passengers around from here and then cross over to the other side. You can see the other side of the sea. That's where people keep going. So we're just going to show you around. So this is the fishing. Let's hear fishing. People are fishing as well here. So this is quite very massive seaside. That's why I'm just taking you around, and you can see. So hubby is going to. You want to do the filming? I'm going to.
Can I?
So I'm going to.
Trying to get hold of it. So, is it on now still?
Yeah.
I can't see nothing.
Yeah, it's still there. It's there. Don't worry, it's filming. So
I can't see your head. I can't see anything.
We're in
you can see. It's okay. Just leave it there. It's still filming.
Wait a minute.
You can
Very faint, isn't it? It's faint. It's got sound to it.
No, we don't need sound. It's okay.
Get you.
So I'm going to do live video from here. So you can just go around and film the whole place.
This is cool.
Oh yeah, they're nice dogs. They're huskies, 2 husky dogs. Somebody's fishing over there. Sorry?
If you want to see that side, there's a lot of stuff around here.
So basically then, there's over there's another catamaran, like an island over there, look. And you can get the boat from here over across to it. Yeah.
We don't have network here as well. It's a bit weird. So,
Look at the scenery. This is Mudeford. This keeps getting in the way, this strap. That's better.
yeah, anyway, walking back.
That's alright. I think so.
So, this is going in the
I find it very difficult trying to see through it. The camera.
Can I do it then?
No, no.
Just leave it. It's going to. It's doing the lenses like
Okay.
that.
I'm not going to the edge.
You can just walk around there.
Okay. Look at all the boats there, look.
So I'm going to switch that off and start another one because it's almost 30 minutes. Okay. You switch it off then.
Why?
We're going to start. You don't do a long recording because it's not.
How long this just in case?
How many minutes?
It's very hard to see, isn't it? You can't see because of the light. That's what I was trying to say to you, dude.
I'm filming now. So we are here again. Yeah, it's every time we just have. Look at it, lovely. Are you turning around?
That's it, as far as I go.
So this is the other side of it. Look at those big buildings over there. So that is Heaven House Inn. So I'm just going to the other side of it. Oh, look at it there.
Get loads of film in here.
Carl is going down the hill. Yeah. So look at the other end of it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go around again. And this is Mudeford Seaside Inn. In Christchurch. So we're going to have a lot of fun from here. So I'm going to start doing this. So you can see, just want to have a still picture of this seaside here. It is amazing how God is working nature. So some people do fishing here as well. There's a lot of things going on. So I'm going to do a lot of photo shooting here as well. thank you for watching. So this is another beautiful day in so there's a fisherman here. Only they're doing fishing here as well. So we've got so we are back again in this location. It's quite nice. I'm just going around for you to see how this beach is. Yeah. So I just want to. Where is that one? Is that there? There's something here in that corner. I'm just going to show you this.
So we're going to
So,
bike back.
Paul is going to that small boat. Is that camera on?
No. Yeah.
Okay, just turn it off because it's not recording. Just hold that phone by the
Yeah,
hand.
I'm worried about it.
Just hold it together, please. So we're just going to start again in this area. So look at those big swans.
Lots of them. Yeah, a lot of swans here. It's unusual. I don't see swans.
So we got lots of swans. So it's quite very. So look at that side. So that ferry would just take somebody from people from there across to the other island.
Goes from there up to there and round.
So we just going away from this area, and these are the fishing area. So we're just going as I want to go to the other side and for you to see. So, are there, all these are containers for fishes? Carl, do they put fish here? Or?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, it looks like that. So there's a lot of fishing activities. You see the nets.
Yeah,
fishing net. Yeah, yeah, you can see. So this.
The boys.
Boys, yeah.
These are girls. They're boys and girls.
So look at the flow of the water. It's going this way. So this is always fishing area. So I'm just taking you around. Look at all this fishing. So we're just going, yeah? So we are on our way out. So I'm just taking this as we are going to go and get the car. So these places, they do mackerel fishing, bass, bream. So there's a lot of fishing activities here. So this is Mr. Westwright coming as well. This is fish stall. There's fish and chips there, we didn't know.
Oh yeah.
Carl, we had fish and chips as well. So this is one of the fishermen that was Carl the fisherman. So look at that. Is that a sea? That's the fisherman.
Got the weight of the fauna, you've got a line of horizons of time.
Sorry, I was just filming. I'm going to film some of this as well, make a video.
So I think there's a lot of fishing activities here. So everywhere is.
This is where they unload. It's a fish dock. Look.
Oh, Borough of Christ Church, Mudeford quay, fish dock. So this is fish dock.
That's where they catch all the fish, don't they?
Yeah, look at it. When you don't see any fish in the sea, it's here. So this is nice and beautiful seaside. So we're just going round because we didn't see this before. So it's a very busy place. Very busy place. Everybody comes. It's such a very massive place. So I'm just going to show. There's a lot of fishing activity. I think all these beds is associated with fish. So yeah, they're so beautiful.
Loads of birds.
Yeah, and they're so friendly.
Yeah.
Look at that side.
Up to the gents for a wee.
Yeah, you can.
Well done to the. Can you hold that then? I'll go there, please. I'll back him.
So look at that fishing trolley. That one is going. Look at it. So they're doing fishing trips as well here. So this is it's going to somewhere, okay? And this is Patience. Mrs. always right. They say, but for me, they don't worry. We are now in Mudeford, seaside, and we are having Carl. Be careful. Almost. Please. So this is me. Can you see me? I'm not going to. Can you see the back of it?
Yeah.
So look at.
Can you keep away from the edge, please, Patience?
I'm not even near the sea. Do you want to go that way?
No, come stand here.
Hey, Carl, come on then.
If you-
Carl!
Come stand here.
No, you got to be joking me.
So that is how we're going to do today. We are having a very beautiful day. So I'm just going to move a bit that way. So you go that way so that you can see me very well.
Which way?
That way. Careful, don't go down.
Keep going back.
We're going to have a cameraman today. So this is the making of our video. This side of it. Guys, making me scared. So that is it. So we're going to take photos as well. So thank you for watching. And I'm going to go around the other side of the coast. This is the sea mermaid.
Mermaid?
Oh, look at it. Oh.
It's gone now.
So, thank you for watching. Then you take a photo now.
You can take a picture from this.
That is a video now. We are on video. So we are all enjoying this day.
that motor.
Go, stop.